Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to comment on a YouTube video. So basically the comment section is under the description. So this is the title and then this is the description. So it's right over here. And then just type in a comment, so whatever you want to comment, and just press comment, and there it is. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So also you can delete your comment by pressing on these three dots and delete, but it takes time. Sometimes it won't show that as an option because some things on YouTube take time to register, and you can also edit your comment. So I just commented right now, so if I press on the three dots I might not see the options. So yeah, that was it for today's video, and please like, subscribe, turn the notifications on so you get the latest updates on my video, and comment down below what you think of this video.